Junior. Hi.
Hello, welcome back to Pine City Apiary. I'm Paul. We got Junior down here. Josh is running around somewhere. And today we're just going to take a look at the hives, determine what caused them to die. I've got a suspicion that it's going to be starvation because of the extended cold snap that we had. But let's take a look, see if we can see any signs of mites or any other cause for the demise. All right, this is laying left. And it was pretty strong going into the winter. They got a lot of the sugar ate up. We gave them a ton. Looks like Junior got a sugar thing. Right. So we'll start here. Do we have an empty medium somewhere?
Empty medium.
Yep. That sealed up pretty good there. Okay, so this is just a foundation. They had started work on it. It's a frame of honey. Foundation. It's got honey. This one's got honey. What I'm looking for is the queen and any signs of mites. I'm not seeing any mites on them yet. found the queen already, so I don't have to spend a lot of time looking for her. This one had some brood in it. This has got quite a bit of honey on it. Don't see any mites. That one might have mites on it. Not sure if that's mites or not. A little bit of honey in there, but we'll put that in. This is the upper brood box. All right, this is the upper brood box. That queen never went down. She stayed up top on that honey super, and that's the reason why we left the super on, is because she was up there. Yep. Alright, so they put a little bit of honey on here. Got some granulated honey in here. Granulated honey. Granulated honey. Right, take it. So keep going. Put them in here if they've got a lot of honey on them. Yeah. Then quiet. tool, cut this off.
Oh, yeah.
Fish that one out. Just scoot across the whole thing and see if there's any more shallow ones.
Shallow.
Yeah.
This one.
What's it?
Can't tell it is shallow.
Alright, so we'll do the same thing here. Melt this wax. Okay. I don't think there's any more shallows, but just take a look.
No shallows.
All right. So and then what we're going to do, Josh, is we'll scrape off all this burr comb and we'll put in 5 of these. But first we're going to clean up that bottom
What are those two top parts?
one.
Where we're going these two
We're not going to do
small.
those today. We can only do so much because we're breathing. All right. So you're going to want to take that entrance reducer off. The entrance reducer in the front. And is that screen still attached to anything?
Here.
There's a, no. There was a screen.
Yeah.
Nope, it's still attached to this one. So you can just brush those all out. Brush off the ones off the wood, off the fender. Put that on that side. That can go on that side. All right. So now we'll clean up the inner cover, put that on, put the outer cover on, and all this, yep. And all this, the rest of the stuff can go into the garage for the package to go in. Then we can put the 5 frames in.
Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna put that upside down. That's upside down. And then always like to have the entrance in the front. I know I'm picky, but all right. And then dump all that crap out of there. Then when you put this on, now slide the top towards me a little bit. That closes that entrance.
Oh.
Okay. All right, so we got one hive ready to go for the packages when they arrive. We kept 5 frames. Some of them got honey in there, and we left space for the bees. We have more frames, obviously, to go back in. So that one's ready to go. Now we got to work on the 2 top bars, but that's not today. Then we got to go over to the W yard. All right, so that's it for today. Hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up are super cool. You too can be super cool if you give us one. You know what's super cool? You got it, subscriptions. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If you have, thank you very much. If you haven't, right now is a great time. Scroll down, click on the red subscribe button, get her done. As always, thank you very much. Have a great day.